And get on my... Why are you doing that? You are a mean bird. I was friendly to you. Hello people who watch my videos. I'm here in Colombia today, and I'm here with Mr. Rootberry, and we're checking out the birds, we're checking out the sights. I'm going to show you that Colombia is safe. Good times. You'll notice here in Colombia a lot of the guys, as you can see behind us, ride motorcycles. There's motorcyclists everywhere.
San Felipe Fort.
It's a boy. It's iguana. Just like, leave me alone. I just want to be left alone. Free will, brothers. Free will. Don't attack the iguana. I'm an agile little monkey. Oh, yeah. Attack the camera. That's good. Oh, yeah. Oh. So vicious. What's your problem?
Look at it pulling your arm up.
Friends, make out, make love. Not war.
Did you get it? No, they left already. It's okay though.
What is that? No. Love. Corner. Ow! That's my viral video right there. Bird eating my